Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today you will see how to prepare a homemade solution for remedy from cough and throat pain, for which you will need the following ingredients. 3 pieces of dry ginger about 1 inch in size each, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 50 grams of unsalted butter and 1 piece of palm candy. If you don't get this, you can also use a piece of jaggery. First, I am going to crush the black pepper and the dry ginger into a coarse powder. I'm going to crush it using a pestle and mortar. If you don't have this, you can also crush using a mixer or blender. So first, after crushing the pepper into 1 or 2 pieces, I am going to add the dry ginger pieces one by one and crush them all together. As I said, if you don't have this, you can use a mixer or blender. But before adding the dry ginger, make sure to crush it well with a stone or a hammer and then add it to the mixer and just run it for about 2 or 3 seconds so that you get a coarse mixture and not a fine powder. So I have completely crushed it using the pestle and mortar into a coarse powder, as I already said. Do not crush it very finely. At the same time, it should not have any big lumps in it, so you should obtain this consistency like this. And now when this is ready, I am going to add the 1 piece of palm candy, that is the karpukatti in Tamil. You can also use a piece of jaggery or palm sugar, whichever is available. So in olden days only these forms of candy were available, so they used this, and I'm still using this as my mother taught me. But you can add anything which you have, like jaggery or palm sugar, and then add about 2 to 2.5 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, allow it to simmer in medium flame for about 5 to 7 minutes and the solution is ready. The sweetness we are adding to compensate the spiciness from the dry ginger and the black pepper. So now it is ready. I am going to filter it and I am going to take about 3/4 cup of the solution, the prepared solution, and to this I am going to add the very important ingredient, that is the butter, unsalted butter. So allow it to melt in the hot solution by stirring it with a spoon, and once it gets dissolved thoroughly, just drink it when it is still hot. So the butter in the hot solution really soothes your throat and you will get good relief from throat pain and cold. If you just drink it today night and take a good sleep, you'll be able to feel the difference the next day morning. So drink this thrice a day for 2 days and you'll be completely relieved from throat pain and cold without any tablets or antibiotics. This is one of the very simple and effective natural remedy for cold and throat pain. Try it in your home and do let me know the results. You will definitely feel a difference by using this. Try it and you will really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.